All right, we're gonna do a quick recap. So today I traded London session because I wasn't doing anything at work, and then I was like, oh, okay, London session. So I went into London session because it was perfect timing. So I was like, okay, I might as well just trade it just to test it out today since we do have FOMC later in the day. So yeah, coming into London session open, we had these Asia highs that were previously swept. Well, no, that weren't swept. Excuse me. Yeah, these right here, Asia highs, and then all of this liquidity towards the downside that I wanted to be taken, which is what I base my bias off of. Yeah, so you can see here in the Asia high here, there was an SMT with what's it called? ES. That definitely had nothing to do with it, but I just wanted to point that out. And then coming into the actual open, um, let me get rid of that. Coming into the actual open, it was a perfect strategy. Honestly, I cooked with this. I was very patient as well. I noticed that. So that was good. These highs up here, the Asia highs, swept through them, and then as soon as we got a change instead of delivery, I got into the 1 minute. I have been taking more aggressive trades, but that's because I need to now. And as you can see, it works out most of the time, which is better than what I used to take. So let me zoom in real quick. So right here we have this change instead of delivery with this big candle towards the downside. We also have this order block that I didn't realize I was using until I actually used it. So right here we went out of that area, so that was good. So change instead of delivery, I went in and then also I put my stops above here. The thing I like about London session is that it gives you more room to breathe for your trades. It doesn't like choke them out, so it has more time to play out. So yeah, I was waiting for these lows to get taken to put my stops at break even. So after I just ran through them, I put my stops at break even. I didn't even get close to it. After that, so then we came down, came down, came down, came down, came down. We did get some retracements. I was going to risk more on this trade, but I just didn't. I just was like, okay, that's fine. I was risking 100. I think 167, and then I got 460 back. So it was 456, yeah. So 3.03 risk to reward ratio, so that was good. Came down here, I got edged with my take profit here. As you can see, it was like off by one little tick, which is crazy work. I'm not gonna lie. But then we got that retracement back, and I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna get stopped the break even. But we didn't. We kind of consolidated a little bit after that retrace, and then dumped straight after that, and then from there just consolidated all the way to New York Open, which I did not trade today. I only did London, because look at this big fat ass candle right here. I don't know. There was no news. There was nothing in there. I don't know what happened, but it happened. And then I went over to New York session just to see if there was any trades that I wanted to see that could possibly have been taken. Um, the only thing that I saw was these highs taken right here, and then got to move down, and then got that retrace, and then from there you could have just shorted, which is good strategy. Um, I was just busy at work. I was doing some stuff, so couldn't get to it fast enough, unfortunately. But we could have made more money today. But yeah, sad. One of my friends from the group chat, he took this trade. He took it all the way down here to these lows, so he made bank. He made like 1,600 today, I think. So good for him. And the account hasn't shown the profits yet, so it says that I'm still down, but I'm actually up only $60, so that's good. And yeah, we won't trade until Monday now, which no news Monday, and then hopefully on Tuesday we can catch a nice trade. I might just be trading London session from now on, since I like how it's going, so I might just do that instead of New York. And if I don't find anything on New York on London, I'll just go to New York. But London is a little bit more predictable since there's not crazy volatility right on market open. Um, and the strategy works the same, so it doesn't really matter. So and it's more convenient for me as well. But yeah, so I'll make one a recap if I trade on Monday.